need you for the old me. Need you for my sanity.
Hey guys, Callie Stormdoll here, and I'm here with some AEW and UFC figures from Jazzwares and Mattel. So this is Jim Jones. Oh, John Jones. Sorry, a little bit too hip hop. John Jones. This is his figure. So this is what the real John Jones looks like, and you can see it's the Jazzwares right there in the corner. And you can see him. I don't know. The likeness is fair. Let me see. This to this. Yeah, we'll see. 32 points of articulation, 2020 limited edition. Wow. Should I feel privileged? So right here we have John Jones, aka Bones. I guess he's skinny. From NM. I don't know what that means. Yes. So you guys can see these are some of the other figures you can get. Wow. So I ordered Joan Jones. What's his name? John Jones. And I also ordered, I think her name is Brandi Rhodes from AEW, which I believe this is presented by Mattel, but we're going to make sure. So, yep, she's a wrestler. Look at her with her sledgehammer in her hand. She said, wow, don't mess with my man. I'ma be the one that bring it to you. Here's a little advice for you. Find your own. Leave mine alone. Don't mess with my man. Yes. So these are some of the other figures that you can get in this line. Now let me see. I want to see who presented this toy. Who is this toy presented by? Oh, she's Jazzwares too. Okay, I didn't know that. So both of these are presented from Jazzwares. So Mattel, what? Wow, Mattel did not make these? I'm so curious about this now. All right, guys, I'm going to open them up. This is going to be off camera. Not to say that it's a lot to do, but because there's two figures. So I'll be right back. I'm going to get them out of their box. I see he has accessories, but she doesn't look like she comes with any. Aww. Well, they should have gave her a sledgehammer or something. Well, I'll be right back, guys. Okay. Hey, guys, I'm back. And I have out Jones and Brandi. Now, I'm going to start with Brandi because she doesn't come with any accessories. So, this is Brandi's face. And this is her sneak suit. She's like a sneak, but I don't know if bikini is the right word, but just a sneak outfit. And I really love these boots. As much as I love these boots, I have to say I just as much hate them because Brandi cannot stand up in these boots. So I'm gonna have to find a stand or something to put her in. I love the fact that they painted her hands, but they put them in a position as if she was going to be holding something, and she doesn't have anything to hold. She does have a little bit more articulation than an average female wrestling figure, but this is a new line through Jazzwares, so she has the double bend, which a lot of female action figures don't get. So Brandi is very fortunate. She has a double knee, thigh cut, just a lot of articulation. You know, she's making her little viper hands, viper, viper, viper. Who knows? You know, I don't know her fighting style. I think she's a pretty figure. If anyone wanted to use this head sculpt and like put it on a different body, that's probably going to be possible too. I think she's really, really cool. But she cannot stand up. Watch this. She already fell. She already fell. So now we're going to look at Jones. Now these are his accessory. He comes with a second pair of hands. Looks like they're made for grabbing. He also comes with his UFC belt. He also came, this is the head he came with, the calm head. And I put the angry head on him. Now, it's so interesting because Jones comes with a lot of cloth goods. This American flag was in his bag. And I guess that's like his towel that he would wrap around him. His shorts are also of separate material. And then this is, he also has like, I guess, briefs underneath of his shorts. They're not as long as his regular shorts though. So I'm surprised. I didn't know that was going to be cloth goods. And you can see he comes with his fisted hands on. I like how they did get his tattoos and things like that. It looks really good, and I like the material he's made out of. I love the complexion, and you can see his face where he's yelling like, "I'm gonna get you," something like that. It's really cool. I'm really glad I got this figure. Yes, I think this is nice. I think this figure and this Brandi came at a great time, you know. I think this is really cool. If you guys have any questions, oh, I'm going to give you guys heights. I'm going to do heights, and then we'll go into the closing remarks, okay? So let's see. Oh, now neither one of them wants to stand up. Okay, so we got to do it like this, okay? Because neither one of them wants to stand up now. They're so tired. How do you think I feel? Okay. So, it looks like he is... What is that? What is it? 6? Exactly 6? Yeah, it looks like he's exactly 6. And for Brandi... Wow, this is interesting because they're both right there. Like, are these legit the same height? Brandi's a little taller though. Yeah. He's like exactly at 6 and she's a little over it. And it could be the heels that make her so much taller. But yes, I want to thank you guys for watching my review today. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe, like, and share the video. And remember, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!